Hello. Welcome to Canal Reina DSP. My name is Renata and I need to introduce you to Gem Bottle. Every detail of the Gem Bottle is high quality and unique, from the BPA-free borosilicate glass bottle to the stainless steel details. And you can choose from 5 unique crystals, choose your loved one's favorite color, or make your choice based on gem properties. And each bottle comes in a beautiful presentation box, making this the perfect gift, romantic and practical. The Gem Bottle is as functional as it is beautiful and can be used for both hot and cold drinks. The gem inside the bottle is removable and is easily washed and reassembled. Each gem bottle comes with its own protective neoprene glove with a handy carrying loop. This is one of the most exclusive and beautiful gifts in the world, a wonderful beginning of conversation in yoga or at work, and a treasure that will be loved for many years. Click now on the description link and download your Gem Bottle today. Do not miss this chance to acquire your gem. And you still get a 90-day guarantee or your money back. Good for today is just. If you liked this video, leave your like and subscribe to our channel not to miss any content. Thanks for watching our channel and until the next video. Bye.